सब्सक्राइब करें रेकिप टेक को और इस बेल आइकन का दबाइए लेटेस्ट टेक वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Hey, what's up people? Today in this video I am gonna show you how you can use multiple apps within one app. So without wasting your time, let's get started. First of all, take your mobile phone, unlock it. Now, first of all you need to go to the Play Store and search here app browser. As you can see, I have already installed the app, so you might have to install this app. Now, as you can see, all the apps are inbuilt in this. Like you can search here Amazon, then it will automatically open the Amazon app. Yeah, and you will not face any kind of problem by browsing it. You will get a full experience of using it. You can use it on Flipkart, Facebook, whatever you like it. So guys, thank you for watching the video. Hope you will like it.